Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuning to the Market Beast Dish. Fellow compadre speaking. Welcome back to an unusual episode of the Napoleon Macro Show. I'm your host. Today we'll be exploring the Ford instrument to see what is going on. Where is the market in terms of, is it near the previous level of support, acting as resistance? Should we be holding calls? I can never tell you what to do, guys, okay? But I will let you guys know how I've executed my strategy in the market in this video. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. Show you. So today's September the 29th, yes, 2021, and the current price of Ford, $14.37, slightly positive 0.3% for the day. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you guys are doing awesome out there. Let's see. Here's the levels, guys. All right, here we are. Okay, so if you are new here, we made a recent call on Ford. I think we nailed this call. It was near the $13 level. Okay, we said Ford would go all the way up to 15, and then we quickly backpedaled on that call, and we had to modify that call, that level to 14.43, and I'd say that is a perfect call. And so far, I think that there is a little bit of profit taking place near this level. So if you're still holding calls, it's okay to, execute your strategy. I'll say that. I mean, I can't tell you what to do, right? Do I think the market can go higher? The only level that truly determines whether or not it will go higher is 14.43. So basically what you want to look for is a little bit of consolidating near this level, which is, it's kind of tricky if you're looking at the daily candles, because here's how it looks. Like if you look at the daily candles, you see like these small little red candles. And then of course, if you go on the next time frame up, which is my go-to is like 3 days and a 2 day, the 3 day and the weekly candles. And then you go up and you see how the market is, hang on, pardon me, guys. Sorry, unprofessionalism if you're new, sorry. See that little red candle there? The 3 days. We actually have 2 days and 2 hours on this active red candle right about here. This candle here. So that just simply means that it's a developing candle. It's red right now. It doesn't mean that it has to close as a red candle. In some cases, it'll actually start out as a red candle and then close as a total opposite. It'll just kind of, blast off or just turn green. It doesn't necessarily have to blast off. All right, just before the close or sometime within approaching the close. Yeah, guys, like 14.43, that this really determines if it's going to happen. Like if it's going to push higher, it's more than likely going to happen within the next 72 hours on this red candle. Because again, if you focus on price action enough, which you guys know that's pretty much all I do. I don't even know. I know I've had a Super Duty before, but Ford, I don't know about Ford, guys, other than, yeah, they sell trucks and cars, right? But in terms of like news and stuff like that, their earnings, somebody said a PE ratio. I have no clue what that stuff is. All right. But if you want to focus your attention on that 3 day candle, look towards the close. Again, 2 days, 7 hours to close on this active red candle. Towards the end of the close, let's see if we can get a push higher. Okay. To let everyone know, yes, we have been taking profits, guys, near this level. This is our price target right here. 14.43. We still do have contracts, and it'd be nice if we can get a nice push above that $15 level. I'd start to, I'd probably leave like literally just probably a few contracts in and just let it expire, do whatever it's going to do. We've already taken a lot of profits, so I just want everyone to keep everyone up to speed. Yes, we've taken profits. We're still in the market. This is the profit-taking level, conservative profit-taking level that we've identified. So, yeah, just follow through with your strategy out there, okay? And that's how we're going to wrap up the video. Now, the last thing is, I know there's probably going to be some fluctuations in the market. Let's just say Ford is at a level where it's going to get resistance. I'm not saying it is, but if it does, here's what to look for. Really simple, actually. So Ford will be stuck within a range. Remember, you have to always assume the predominant trend. If the sellers are failing to make lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so notice how Ford thrust to the upside, got resistance at that yellow line, resistance, lower low, resistance, lower low. Okay, up, down, higher low. That is a sign that the sellers may be exhausted here in the short term. You get that higher low and you get that rip to the upside. And all you want to do is take out the previous swing high. When you take out that previous swing high, you want to use it as support, okay? Maybe do a little bit of consolidating, double bottom, and then continue the predominant trend. So again, if there is signs, because let's see here, $16.50. That's when there was a sign that the sellers stepped in and they want to take control of the market in the short term. And that's exactly what they did. Low, up, lower, high, lower, low, right? So the moment you get a sign that the sellers may be exhausted, that's when I execute, okay? I enter the market with the hopes that it will actually push higher. That's what happened. When, again, we called it at like just over $13. It's pushing higher. Now with the seller's obligation is to stop the momentum here at 1443. And if the sellers are successful at stopping the momentum here at 1443, it's really simple, guys. It's in a range. This range right here, 1335 up to 1443. And what you want to look for is daily candles or 3-day or weekly candles, reversal candles, okay? If it goes down to 1335, which I'm not sure if it's going to happen because I don't know. I honestly, we called the move up, conservative play. And like for me to like start saying, okay, today it's going to go to, what is the price right now? Like today it's going to go up to $14.57. And then after it goes up to $14.57, and then it's going to reverse down. And then it's going to go to like $14.24. I don't know how to do that stuff, guys. I'm horrible at that. So yeah, I know some channels they're able to do that. And I applaud them. I'm not really, that's not my area of expertise. I'm able to identify swings to the best of my ability. If it plays out, great. If it doesn't, I don't do the day-to-day stuff, guys. I'm just not good with it. So please, hopefully you guys can appreciate my honesty and my effort to do the best that I can to understand the ebbs and the flows from a weekly or monthly time frame, not the day-to-day stuff, guys. Pardon me, okay? All right, so again, if it's in a range, then that's fine, guys. Just the market, you just want to look for daily, reversal, perhaps 3-day candles, reversal within this range. So that's, I know someone may need an update if the market moves lower, but that's all I have. If it breaks below 1335, yeah, I'll give you guys an update for sure. But as long as it's within this range consolidating, if it's not officially breaking out now, if the sellers cannot follow through with their obligation and break below the previous level of resistance, 1335, assume the predominant trend. The trend is your friend, guys. It really is your friend. Okay? Till the end. All right? That's all I have for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Rewind it back, guys. There's a lot of powerful information in our videos. You just have to, like, seriously, you have to listen from the beginning until the end. You know, the guys, a lot of people criticize the candles, say I'm doing lottery numbers and all that stuff, guys. It's just price action. That's all it is. I'm just finding higher highs, higher lows, and the previous level of support, you know, stuff like that. So that's it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. So if you don't mind, could you go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this video. If you're new, we also explore the alternative markets if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins. So if you could kindly subscribe with us, hit the bell. We'll send that out to you momentarily, okay? Welcome in, by the way. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I do appreciate your time. I truly do. Remember to execute your strategies. Always be kind. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon. And bye for now.